Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean your glass top stove with some dryer sheets and water. Simple, easy. Stay tuned and watch the video. So the steps are really simple. First, you're going to have to take some dryer sheets and just cover your complete glass top stove. And after that, you are going to wet them with some water in a spray bottle. You can also open them, but I think is maybe more effective if they're kind of thick. You don't need to be perfectly or straight or anything. You just need to place them on your stove, and then you're going to take your spray bottle and you're just going to spray them. You just need to use a random empty spray bottle you have. Make sure there's nothing left in there, and you're going to just spray them with water. If you have some hard stains on your stove, then you can add some baking soda on this, baking soda and water. The typical stuff what we use to clean: baking soda, vinegar. But for this one, because it's not super dirty, we're just going to use regular water. And yeah, make sure everything's nice and wet. And then you're going to wait 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm going to show you the next step. So now that 15 minutes have passed, all you have to do is you're going to take your dry sheets and just wipe everything off. Also, they smell super good, so they leave a super good smell in your kitchen. Everything should be nice and clean, and like I said before, if you have harder stains on your stove, you can add some baking powder to make it more effective. So I think it really looks good, and it also smells good. It looks really clean, and yeah. Okay, I hope you like this video. Give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.